Hey guys, it's Beth, and today I'm back with a new pad preview. This is the All Seasons 3 pad from the Paper Studio Hobby Lobby, and there are 180 sheets originally in this pad. I feel like I've used a lot, but I feel like there's also an awful lot left. So this will be one of the bigger projects that I've done. It kind of rivals the fall themed pad that I did last summer. But for some reason lately, I've been jonesing for some holiday type projects. And every time I kill off a pad or a collection and I go to figure out what I'm going to do next, I kind of sort through all of my collections, all of my pads, just to see what calls out to me. And for some reason this one did, because like I do want to do some Christmas projects, but I know it is the middle of summer, so I don't want to do tons of Christmas projects, because then by the time I get to Christmas, I'm going to be sick of it. But I also wanted to do some fall, and like there's some 4th of July papers in here, some winter, so I feel like this is a really good mix of holiday, kind of give me what I'm looking for, but not be overwhelmingly one holiday or season. So there were, like I said, originally 180 sheets in here, so 3 designs of each, or 3 sheets of each design, and this says it was from 2013, so it's been in my stash for a while. But if you use emojis, give me a hands up in the comments below, or let me know in words in the comments below if you have any of these multi-seasonal pads in your stash. I know I used to buy them a lot, and most of them I think I've used up. This was the only like actual pad that I could find in my stash, but I do think I have some individual sheets that I've like pulled apart out of the pad and filed them, you know, by theme or holiday in my stash. So I probably need to pull those out and use them up too. But I have resisted buying any more of these just because I still had this one that has so much in it. So maybe once I use this one up, maybe I'll get another one. I don't know. But I do like them because they do cover, you know, like a wide variety of seasons and themes. So we'll do a quick flip through of what is left in this pad, and then we can kind of talk about what I plan to do with it. So there's a bunch of these Christmas designs with beautiful like red, black, and cream. And then there are some more rustic Christmas designs, some fall, Halloween, and then some school themed, I think I skipped one, some school themed paper, Fourth of July, summer, birthday, a bunch of different birthday designs. This is all I have left of the St. Patrick's Day. There's 2 sheets of the leprechauns. I've used up all that, and I've used up all the other spring ones. I have 2 different Valentine's Day designs left, and then there's some just general winter. And then scraps. So how do I plan to use this? What ideas do I have to use this up? First up is always 12 by 12 scrapbook layouts, because I totally need to catch up on my personal scrapbooking. So I'm sure that out of this I can make a ton of different layouts to help myself get caught up in my scrapbooking. And then cards is also another given. Some of these designs I think would make cute note card sets. And then my husband and I have an Etsy shop where we make decorative like letter block sets, among other things. So I think some of these would be really good for like a reversible holiday type set, like some of the Christmas ones. Do Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. You know, Merry Christmas on one side, Happy New Year on the other. And then some reversible holiday signs as well with some of the more rustic patterns. And then mini note cards with some of the scraps. And then some of these winter ones down here, or maybe some of the Christmas and the fall would make cute hot cocoa packets for our craft shows for the fall and winter seasons. And then I don't know if any of these would really work for some little like decorative post-it note holders or notebook covers. I'm not sure about that. Maybe some of the school ones, but and then maybe some mini scrapbooks. I think I might be able to get a little mini school scrapbook album out of some of the school paper, or maybe even some of the Christmas. We'll see. Christmas and winter. I don't know. And then Christmas tags out of some of the scraps from the Christmas paper. So those are the ideas I have on how to use this up. If you have any ideas on that are specific to this pad on what might be a really good idea to use some of this paper for, please, I would love to hear that. Let me know that in the comments below. And like I said, also let me know if you have any of these left in your stash that you haven't used up yet. I'm excited, you know, I've kind of focused on smaller collections lately, so I am kind of excited to get back into a bigger pad kill. It was nice to have some of the quick projects, but now I'm kind of jonesing to get back into like more of a bigger challenging project. So I think this will fit the bill for, it'll be challenging, and like I said, it'll also help fill the need to do some holiday projects. So again, let me know if you have ideas. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, because my whole goal with this channel is to help you use up some of these pads that you've had in your stash for a while, give you some ideas to make some pretty things with them, get them out of your stash and into life, you know, into some pretty projects to share with others. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and stay tuned to see what I end up making from this one. Thank you so much for your time today, guys, and I hope you have a crafty rest of your week.